Hi friends, welcome to SSCJ Electrical. In this video, I would like to discuss about the best books for SSCJ Electrical. Regarding this exam, yesterday a notification has been released, that is October 1 notification has been released, and up to 30 you can apply for this exam. And the exam date for this notification is March 22 to March 25. And see here the best books for SSCJE, and some of the publications books I have written here. SSCJE book by Medici, SSCJE book by Medici, GK publications, JB Gupta and VK Mehta and RK Rajput. All these books are some of the best books for SSCJE Electrical, and in this and some of them I will discuss in detail. See here. And the best book, first one is SSCJE Electrical book by Medici. This is the best coaching institute regarding IES, and they have prepared this SSCJE Electrical book by Medici. This book has been released by Medici Institute. They have very well prepared this one, and 0% errors. You will not find any mistakes in it, and best book, and all the previous questions along with the solutions given in this book. Okay, so well rated book this one is. And second one, SSCJ Electrical book by GK Publications. This is also one of the best book. In this book, the questions are mostly repetitive nature. Whatever the questions, those are mostly repetitive. No, those questions mostly included in this book, and this is also one of the best book. And best book for SSCJ Electrical for all competitive exams. Regarding SSCJ and for all competitive exams, JB Gupta is the ideal book. Everyone knows this. In the JB Gupta, almost all kind of bits will be covered, but it will take more time for cover all the questions. And if you are exclusively preparing for SSCJ exam, and if you solve this previous papers, and if you have any study material regarding this and notes from the coaching institute, that is quite enough. If you are not having notes regarding this, it is better to prepare ideal book, that is JB Gupta book is ideal book for all competitive exams. And fourth one, best book for SSCJ Electrical JB Gupta. In this along with the solutions will be given, but all the question solutions will not be covered in fourth one, and in the third one all the solutions given, but it is quite expensive, so based on your budget you can purchase that. Okay, and all are the best books. The first preference is Medici book, and second preference GK Publications, and along with this you can prepare JB Gupta for all competitive exams. And next one, this is regarding technical section. In SSCJE total 200 marks exam it is. Out of 100 marks technical, 100 marks non-technical. Here we have discussed a technical section. In the non-technical, general intelligence and reasoning and general awareness will be covered. For general intelligence and reasoning, there is a 50 marks weightage, and for general awareness 50 marks weightage is there. And especially for general awareness, GK, for general knowledge, Manohar Pandey book is very nice. Just it is 30 rupees only, but quick revision can be done with this book. For quick revision you can use this Manohar Pandey. Small book, handbook will be there, just 30 rupees only. Nearby bookstore you can find it. Okay, and after completing this book, if you purchase Manohar Pandey, some bigger book also will be there, the guide book will be there. You can read that one also according to your interest. Small book is suggestible here. And for general awareness, standard book is Lucent. Lucent is the standard book for all competitive exams, especially for Staff Selection Commission. Lucent is the best book. Okay. And for current affairs, writing daily 5 most important current affair questions in notes. Daily you can write 5 important current affair questions, and from the newspaper or from the app, from Wi-Fi study app or grade up app, or many apps are there regarding current affairs. By practicing the quiz, and you will find some important questions. So just at least 5 questions if you write daily, it will be very useful at the end of the preparation. Okay, regarding current affairs, if you prepare last 6 months current affairs, it will be very useful, and weekly and monthly YouTube videos you can find in YouTube from different YouTube channels. And this is regarding non-technical, and these are regarding technical sections, and all these links I have given in the description, you can go through it. Okay, so whatever the books that I have explained here, all are well rated, and good rating was given in Amazon or Flipkart, you can see there, and very good rating was given, and all are best books. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.